Hi, it's Colin McIntyre, and the beauty of this lifestyle is I'm actually shooting this video from my holiday apartment in Cyprus. So it's very warm and very sunny at the moment, so I'm glad to come inside. So this video I'm going to talk about Leadpages, connecting it to a domain, or a custom domain some people would refer it to. So I'm going to go onto the laptop and I'm going to show you how you connect a domain that's registered with Namecheap. In Leadpages, if I pick an example of a website where I've not allocated a custom domain, such as this one, so it's published but without a custom domain, you can see what the URL looks like. So it's your user account name, .lpages, and then the website name. Now often you don't want that, so for this example I might want this to go to a domain which was train your dog or something like that. So let me show you how you would do that. If you buy an annual account with Leadpages, they give you a domain, but if not, you can use one of your own or buy one, and I'm going to show how to connect to one from Namecheap domain. Okay, so we come to account, we come to domains, and on my account level I have one domain available to me, and that domain is hot weight loss products, because I've got a web page around weight loss. So let me get rid of that. You can always re-add it. Okay, so I want to connect to a domain, and the domain I'm going to use is one here. So it's an old domain. I've got best headphones in the world. So I go to manage that. Okay, first of all, I'll copy the domain. And you want a domain that you've not allocated to any hosting. So it's just set in registrar. So it's saying if you end up with something that wasn't, you've done some work on, you had something on a different website, this will overwrite it. It's a new domain, or it's a domain that's not allocated anywhere, so it's not a problem. I tick the box. Right, so I go into my Namecheap account and it tells me to go to manage. Then it says go to advanced DNS. So you get good instructions. So advanced DNS. We're going to add a new record. It's an A record we want. It tells us that we make the hosting alphasand, which just means standard host name, and then that's the Leadpages IP address it told us to use. Once you've put that in, I'm going to leave that on automatic. Click the box. Now what I am going to do now I've done that is I'm going to delete any records that Namecheap use when you haven't allocated your domain. to Leadpages. And it says, I've just put the best headphones in the world.org as a domain, but it's saying, would you like to make sure that the www traffic also goes there? And the answer is yes, I would. So I need to copy that, go back here and create another record. This time we want a CNAME. www. Now this will take a few minutes typically to propagate. Sometimes it can take up to 48 hours. So I'm going to stop the video and I'll come back as soon as I know that it's working and show you how that screen changes. In Leadpages we can now see this. Best headphones in the world.org, connected and secure. It took about 30-35 minutes to complete. So during that time, Leadpages was checking that we created the records correctly, which obviously we did. It also creates an SSL certificate, so a secure certificate for your page that browsers expect in this day and age. So the address will actually be a HTTPS rather than a HTTP because it's got a security certificate. So really easy process. So that was a short video again. Tomorrow I'm actually going to shoot a longer video where I'm going to fully customize a landing page. So I think I'll make it into a dog training landing page because that's one I might be able to use. So I'm going to take one of the templates that we've used for these videos and convert it to one I could use for dog training products. So that will take a little bit longer. But after that I'm going to do some more short videos talking about how you can publish lead pages that you've created in different ways. So to make sure you don't miss that video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get a notification. It'll be a day or two by the time I get it out, but to make sure you don't miss it, do subscribe, do press for notifications. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye bye.